Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight we will tell you how Pakistan has crossed the LOC of logic and shame. You just heard from America to UK. There have been protests against Pakistan and its terror proxies outside their high commissions. The Indian diaspora chanted Vande Mataram, Jai Shri Ram and even sang the national anthem. But what does Pakistan do? It responds with bluff, bluster and, yes, what they do best, begging. Sample how it closed the LOC of shame. This is a Pakistani diplomat who made this gesture of slitting the throat towards the protester. Many have pointed out that even to give dhamki to India, the Pakistani diplomat took inspiration from an Indian film, Pushpa. Example 2 of Pakistan crossing the LOC of shame. The Pakistani Army Chief, General Asim Munir, Mullah Munir as he is called, who ahead of Pahalgam attack ranted against Hindus over the two-nation theory, seems to have fled his own nation. Rumor has it that he and his family have fled Pakistan fearing retaliation by India. Meanwhile, the instigator-in-chief, Munir, has unleashed his arsenal of lies and fakery. His stooges are crossing the LOC of logic. Shahid Fareedi, the former cricket captain of Pakistan, says that India had its own people killed, that the Pahalgam terror attack was orchestrated to malign Pakistan. Hard to believe this idiocy. Not just this, Pakistan has also crossed the LOC of self-respect if it had any left. It's now gone crying with a begging bowl to its all-weather friend China. It seeks 1.4 billion aid to fight what it fears is an impending invasion by India. Left with little shame and logic, watch how Pakistani netas are crossing the LOC of bluff and bluster as well with their empty threats. Well, India is not just fighting Pakistan at the borders, it's also launched a digital war to crush its propaganda machinery. Remember, BBC has been under fire for calling terrorists just militants or gunmen and tagging Kashmir as India-administered Kashmir. It has now been warned by India for being wrongly portraying India as an aggressor. Over 16 YouTube channels of Pakistani news have been blocked by India as well, including Geo News, ARY News and Sama TV. Pakistani cricketing fraternity like Shoaib Akhtar, Rizwan Haider, Rashid Latif too have been censured. The MHA, the Ministry of Home Affairs, has called these handles provocative, communally sensitive, misleading, false and anti-India propaganda. With this, Pakistan's propaganda machinery has been crushed with an iron fist. So, ladies and gentlemen, the Motorola legitimate question that we're asking on the news hour tonight: have desperate Pakistan's dar and dhamkis completely flopped because they've had to run to China? That's the question, and that's the debate coming up on the other side.
You're watching the News Hour at 9, debate number 1, on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
Joining the debate tonight, Shehzad Poonawalla, national spokesperson of the BJP. Joining me in the studios here, Dr. Anand Ranganathan, author, Major Samar Paltur, defense analyst. Also joining me from Pakistan, Uzma Kardar, MPA, a member of parliament, Raja Faisal, senior journalist, Dr. Hussain Thebo, strategic affairs analyst, Munib Hamid, also journalist, joining me from Pakistan. Let me first ask you, Raja Faisal. I ask you this question with all the information that I have been seeing in Pakistani channels, news channels, as well as social media, newspapers. Nawaz Sharif has advised his brother and Prime Minister of Pakistan to take it easy, use diplomatic methods rather than baying for India's blood, because a war against India is not going to be in Pakistan's favor. Not my view. This is something that the Tribune in Pakistan has written. Maybe you've seen the copy of that as well. Also, the fact that China has had to come out and say that a call was done between the Foreign Minister of Pakistan and the Foreign Minister of China at Pakistan's request. ये तो क्लियर हो गया ना कि nuclear bomb hai, that is all right for giving ultimatums and dhamkis to India, but ultimately आका तो चाइना ही है ना. Save us, save us, save us, पैसे भी दे दो, arms भी दे दो, बचा लो मेरे आका. Isn't that what Pakistan is saying to China?
Navika, my reply to you would be purely based on my journalistic experience. I think this is how the sane countries and sane governments, they respond to a madness that is erupting from the neighboring country like India. Whatever we have been seeing since last week, since this unfortunate incident took place last week in Pahalgam, of course, the kind of madness which we were facing from the Indian side, we being a responsible country, having the nukes with us and knowing the facts that our adversary like India is having the nukes as well, we have shown responsibility, and that's how the mature countries, they show responsibility. Of course, China is a major player in the region. China is your neighbor as well as our neighbor as well. We want some sane countries in between us so that we can have sanity prevailing between us. Otherwise, you would be coming up with the slogans. We will be coming up with the slogans. We don't need slogans. We need probe into this kind of attack that has taken place in Pahalgam, because it was highly unfortunate. There were civilians, Indian civilians, who were killed in that incident, and that required a proper
Raja Faisal, may I just correct your pronunciation? Kashmir, I assume आपको कश्मीर चाहिए नहीं. पहलगाम बोलना तो आता नहीं, पलग्राम बोल रहे हैं आप उसको. So clearly they want Kashmir for themselves. Pahalgam bolna aata nahi. Shehzad Poonawalla, I want to ask them, they're calling Pakistan a responsible nation. They're talking about their nuclear weapons, 130 of them, and they're behaving maturely. Didn't you hear all the statements coming in from the Pakistani ministers? Is that mature and responsible statements coming from them?
Responsibility and Pakistan don't match and mix in the same statement, just like drinking and driving. But of course, only Pakistani generals would know about the latter. But having said that, look, Pakistan, speaking about responsibility, the same responsibility with which you kept Osama bin Laden inside Pakistan, the same responsibility with which you have 12 designated terror organizations which are UN designated within the territory of Pakistan, the same responsibility with which your railway minister was speaking, the same responsibility with which your foreign minister says that these people who did the terrorist attack in Pahalgam are freedom fighters. And I can understand why Pakistan is feeling this way. Ever since even the Navy has just put out a tweet, there are sensations in Pakistan. Fat-fatahat, फड़फड़ाहट, कप-कपाहट, थर-थराहट एंड बड़बड़ाहट. ये बड़बड़ाहट में बहुत कुछ बोल रहे हैं, बट राजा फैजल, your Pakistani army has seen mass resignations, including officers resigning. Your generals, including the top general, is hiding his family in Videshi Dharti. Shahbaz Sharif has backtracked. TRF, a terror organization, for the first time is saying, नहीं हमने नहीं किया जी आतंकी हमला, हमें मत दोष दीजिए. You have Sindh protests, you have things that are happening in Balochistan and Waziristan, which you must be knowing better about. You have been flooded in Jhelum. You are seeing dry Chenab. You are seeing economic gherabandi. You are seeing diplomatic isolation, and you are seeing jalbandi. And this is the situation with which Pakistan is left. But having said that, I do understand that Pakistan has one very big strength. Navika ji, I have just got to know that US had said Pakistan ko touch nahi karna hai. UK has said to India, Pakistan ne touch nahi karna hai. Russia has come out in defense of Pakistan. China has come out in defense of Pakistan. All of these countries, including EU, has said Pakistan को touch मत करना इंडिया, क्योंकि इन सब का कर्जा बाकी है. They are saying ये भिखारियों का इतना कर्जा हम पर बाकी है, जब तक ये भिखारी अपना कर्जा ना पहुंचा दे, तब तक हमें क्या इसमें झूठ क्या है? इसमें झूठ क्या है? आपका कर्जा नहीं है, आप पूरे दुनिया में कर्जा लेकर घूम रहे हो. अच्छा, दूसरी बात, सर, सॉरी. Radha ji, why are you feeling so offended?
Let me respond.
But you said Osama as a shaheed. You did not feel offended with that. You did not feel offended when you called Pahalgam terrorists as freedom fighters. You did not feel offended with that. भिखारी को भिखारी बोलने में कौन सा ऑफेंस है सर? भिखारी को तो भिखारी बोलूंगा. आप कटोरा लेकर जाते हैं, सऊदी के पास गए, यूएई के पास गए. अच्छा सर, आपको
I would recommend you to enlighten yourself.
Yes, I will enlighten you,
with
sir.
the good newspapers like Hindustan.
I'll read the newspapers. You read Tribune, sir. You read Tribune and read what they're writing about a general.
Rather than relying
now, Raja
on social media memes.
Forget memes, sir.
Whatever
आपका
the
देश
content
meme है.
you are using here,
Sir, your
it's
country
nothing
has
more
become
than
a
the
meme.
social media memes.
Sir, I'm not relying on memes.
But
since
your
you spoke
source
about
of information
memes.
is TikTok. Your
Sir,
source of information is Instagram.
Sir, TikTok
your
banned
source of
हमारे देश
information
में.
is Twitter.
Raja
Sir, TikTok banned.
Faisal, Raja Faisal, maybe you would also want to update your knowledge. TikTok is banned in India.
See, what happens is that they live out of China's charity, so everything Chinese is important to them. But having said that, Raja, last 10 seconds. Mr. Faisal, last 10 seconds. A very serious debate. Sir, I'm as serious as your railway minister and Bilawal Bhutto. I'm as serious as Bilawal Bhutto. No, Mr.
I'm a journalist. I'm not a joker.
No, sir. The line between jokers and ministers has blurred. The line between your ministers and jokers has blurred.
Okay, you're a journalist. You're not a joker. I take
But
that.
can I ask
I take that comment seriously.
As an Indian Muslim, I want to ask him one question. मैडम आप तो कुछ देर रुकी जाइए उस्मा जी, आपको तो पाकिस्तान में भी नहीं पूछते होंगे. मैम प्लीज.
And most of the states in India, they do want to stay with you. Nagaland, they raise their own flag. Look at what's happening in Manipur.
Ma'am, will you look at your own backyard? Please check with the Baluchistanis. Please check your own. Please check with Sindh. Please check with Baluchistan. Please check with your own backyard, madam. We don't need lectures. We don't need lectures from Pakistan and Pakistanis how to keep this country together. Certainly not, ma'am.
Uzma ji has brought up, ma'am, just 10 seconds more. Ma'am, I want to address them not just as BJP spokesperson, but also because you say, na, ma'am, now please listen to me 10 seconds. आपके आर्मी चीफ, which I don't think he should be called an army chief, said कि कलमे की बुनियाद पे हमारा देश बना था. कलमे की बुनियाद पे बना था तो बांग्लादेश लात मारकर क्यों निकल गया सर? कलमे की बुनियाद पे बना था तो क्यों बलूचिस्तान आपको लात मारने के लिए तैयार बैठे हैं? और आप हमारे देश की चिंता छोड़ दो. बलूचिस्तान, बांग्लादेश बन चुका है, बलूचिस्तान संभालो. बांग्लादेश बन चुका है, बलूचिस्तान संभाल लो.
दोबारा बन रही है बांग्लादेश के साथ और हमारे सारे जो
जनरल टीका खान जैसे लोगों को भेज देना वहां पे सुलह कराने के लिए. मैम क्योंकि बांग्लादेश की बात की, मैम आपकी मेमोरी फ्रेश करा दूं बांग्लादेश से. मैम बांग्लादेश से आपकी मेमोरी फ्रेश करा दूं.
पाकिस्तान में
बांग्लादेश से आपकी मेमोरी फ्रेश करा देता हूं. ये देखिए, इनको तस्वीरों का बड़ा शौक है. और प्रोड्यूसर मेरी आवाज थोड़ी सी ऊपर कर देना, मैं इनको थोड़ा तस्वीरों के बारे में दिखाता हूं. मैम सुन लीजिए, मे बी द नेक्स्ट पिक्चर यू वांट लाइक. देखिए, इनको तस्वीरों का बड़ा शौक है. मैं दिखाना चाहता हूं, ये है नियाजी अरोड़ा की भीख मांगते हुए तस्वीर नंबर 1. कैमरामैन जूम कीजिए. नियाजी तस्वीर में भीख मांग रहा है अरोड़ा की. ये देखिए, 93,000 पतलून उतारी थी हमने. पाकिस्तानियों की 93,000 पतलून निकाली थी. आपको तस्वीरें बड़ी पसंद है ना? ये आपके औजार और हथियार जमीन पर पड़े हुए. ये तस्वीर नंबर 3 ध्यान से देख लीजिए. और ये तस्वीर देखिए, ये आपके फॉरेन मिनिस्टर, प्राइम मिनिस्टर और आर्मी चीफ को पसीना छूट रहा था. कांप रहे थे कि 9 बजे से पहले अभिनंदन को छोड़ दीजिए, वरना कैसा युद्ध होगा हमें कल्पना भी नहीं है. तो मुझे लगता है तस्वीरों का शौक है, इन तस्वीरों को याद कीजिए.
Uzma Kardar, you are talking about 1 minute, ma'am, 1 minute.
सो रही थी जो उनको नजर ही नहीं आया कि आपके 400 किलोमीटर दूर कोई अंदर आ गया आपके मुल्क में. तो इसका मतलब है यूर अ फेल्ड स्टेट. यू पीपल आर इनकॉम्पिटेंट.
अरे ओसामा बिन लादेन को शरण देने वाले अबोटाबाद में, खालिद मोहम्मद शेख को शरण देने वाले पाकिस्तान में, लश्कर ए तोयबा और जैश ए मोहम्मद का हेडक्वार्टर पाकिस्तान दूसरों को सीख दे रहा है.
पाकिस्तान की हुकूमत, हम 1 पेज पे हैं and we are sick and tired of your war mongering and now you're going to get a taste of your own medicine. You are going to get a taste of your own medicine.
Oh,
Madam, you can't even buy your own medicine.
At least you're confessing that the only medicine that you have is sending terrorists to different nations. Your own defense minister made this statement on Sky News, ma'am. आपके पास और कोई medicine नहीं है. Your country is the failed state. We are a $4.5 trillion economy, getting to $5 trillion economy, the number 3 economy in the world. Look at where you are, and you have the audacity to call India a failed state. Usma ji, Anand Ranganathan. We don't know, and neither does Pakistan know where Asif Munir, Mullah Munir is. पता नहीं कहां पे, कहां चले गए। वो जो चाइना के पास एक डूंगा लेके गए हैं ना, $1.4 बिलियन, दे दो मेरे आका, दे दो मेरे आका। That is the state of Pakistan, and they are calling us names. And today on the show, Uzma Kardar has confessed that the only Auzar, the only weapon that they have is sending terrorists. That's the only export they have. Anand Ranganathan, they are giving us lessons and they are unleashing Shahid Afridi on us. Oh my God, we are so scared. We are so scared of Shahid Afridi.
Good evening, Navika, and good evening to my fellow panelists. You know, when the Taliban says that we are worried about the terror being perpetrated by Pakistan, you really know that something is off. You know, that is the typical CV of Pakistan. They can write in one line. Even Taliban is criticizing us. No, but you know, this kind of tutu meme is expected, because what else would a terror state
and... You know, Ajit Doval, your national advisor,
I did not interrupt you.
He told us very clearly that we are going to support TTP, and we are going to bring terror in your country, especially in Balochistan.
Madam,
this is what Ajit Doval said in 2014.
Uzma Kardar, you know, you will not succeed in drowning out the voice of my very own Indian friend Anand Ranganathan. Listen to him first, and I'll get you in later. All other faders down. Anand.
No, I'm prepared to give my time to Usmaji, because this is the only time on an Indian channel that a Pakistani woman can express herself freely. You know, this is the problem of Pakistan. But, you know, couple of questions, because this tutu meme is going to continue forever. These guys are very well trained. When you have the sitting Prime Minister at that point of time, now he is in prison, Imran Khan, he agreed that they trained militants, Al-Qaeda militants. When you have the current Minister of Pakistan agreeing on one of the British broadcasting channels that we were doing the dirty work of Western nations by training terrorists, what else is there to say? But I'll just say this, because as I said, we are not interested in tutu meme. Pakistanis, if they are honest, if they are God-fearing, अगर उनको अल्लाह से डर लगता है, तो बस दो चीजें बता दीजिए कि उनके पार्लियामेंट ने अहमदियाज को नॉन मुस्लिम का स्टेटस क्यों दिया हुआ है. Ahmadiyas were one of the community of Muslims that were principal in getting partition away and Pakistan to partition. अब उनको ही आपने कह दिया कि वो मुस्लिम नहीं है, तो आप कैसा ऐसा स्टेट है टू नेशन थ्योरी पे जो कि इस्लाम के बेसिस पे फॉर्म्ड है, जो शियास को प्रोसिक्यूट कर रहे हैं, जो कि अहमदियाज को मुस्लिम्स ही मान रहे, यहां तक कि दी अमेजिंग पर्सनैलिटी डॉक्टर अब्दुल सलाम, द फर्स्ट पाकिस्तानी टू गेट द नोबेल प्राइज, on his tombstone when it was written the first Muslim Nobel laureate, वो मुस्लिम हटा दिया गया. So now the tombstone read Abdul Salam the first Nobel laureate. ये आप अपने फेलो मुस्लिम्स और इस्लाम के फॉलोअर्स के साथ करते हैं, तो आपको कोई कहने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपको जितना तू मैं करना है करिए. You are a failed state and you will reach your end like your beginning.
Munib Hamid, I want to ask you, and we're getting information about Pakistan's Defense Minister Khwaja Mohammad Asif in an interview to Reuters saying that imminent military incursion is going to happen. Pakistan's Defense Minister has said that, and he has warned that a military incursion by India into Pakistan was imminent following the deadly militant attack in Kashmir last week. अब इतना तो आपको डर लग रहा है, इतना डर लग रहा है कि जगह जगह जाके भाई बचा लो, China, Turkey, everybody is coming out to say कि कोई तो बचा ले हमें, कोई तो बचा ले, नहीं तो ज्यादा से ज्यादा यूएन भाग जाएंगे. एंड यूनाइटेड नेशन सिंस 1962 has refused to intervene, but you'll still go back to UN and say, please intervene on Kashmir. I want to ask you, do you not recognize the only export from Pakistan are terrorists? And that is what has destroyed your nation and your credibility in the world.
Thank you, Navika. I think this is an endless debate, whether Pakistan is a terrorist or India is a terrorist. This is a fight between the two nations, and it's never going to end. I think there's not going to be any victory in this from the either side. But I do want to say one thing here, which is certain, and which many senior analysts believe, and that is this is the beginning of the disintegration.
Mr. Muneeb, just for your knowledge, we both have Muneeb, Mr. Muneeb, we both have a relationship with terrorists. You harbor them, we dispatch them to the hoods they belong to. You harbor terrorists, we dispatch them to the place they belong to. Mr. Muneeb, just 10 seconds. Mr. Muneeb, just 10 seconds. Mr. Muneeb, you seem like a reasonable man. Mr. Muneeb, you seem like a reasonable man. Mr. Muneeb, you seem like a reasonable man.
Shut his mouth.
Mr. Muneeb, 1 second. First of all, Mr. Muneeb, you are getting airtime. You are getting airtime on an Indian television network. You should be grateful because, frankly, you can't drown out my voice. You can't drown out anything with an empty glass. आपके पास पीने को पानी नहीं है, आप drown out किसको करेंगे भाई? आप ना मेरी आवाज को drown out कर सकते हैं, ना आपके पास चुल्लू पर डूबने के लिए पानी बचा है. मुनीब जी, अपना मुंह देख कर आइए. दूसरी बात, आपके देश के वजीर आजम ने बोला कि ओसामा बिन लादेन शहीद है. एक आतंकी को शहीद बोलते हैं आप, और आप कह रहे हैं कि आप आतंकियों के खिलाफ हैं. अरे भाई साहब, ऐसा है, सुनिए.
Okay. What is your defense? What is your defense, Muneeb Saab? What is your defense of the terrorists? If Taliban today is scared of the level of terrorism in Pakistan, do you think any more proof is required?
Give me the proof where Taliban has said.
1 second, I'll deal with this. Mr. Muneeb, I'll give you the proof. Now, Mr. Muneeb, you'll have to listen. I'll give you the proof. In 20 seconds, I will give you the proof. Mr. Muneeb, 20 seconds. Mr. Muneeb. Okay, 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Yes, 20 seconds giving you the proof. Now,
इसको कोई तमीज सिखाओ.
ऐसा है मिस्टर मुनीब.
Okay, all right. Muneeb, number one. Now 1 minute. Let's तहजीब से बात करेंगे एक दूसरे के साथ. आपको मैं 45 seconds देती हूं. Please make your point and then I will let Shehzad come in. But I assure you that the minute you cross the line, I will lower your fader. Muneeb, make your point. What is your argument?
This is the beginning of the disintegration of India. You have to understand this, right? As a friend, as a brotherly neighbor, you have to understand BJP and RSS is leading India to a dark future. India is the world's largest democracy, but what you're doing right now is totally unacceptable by the Indian people itself. क्या वो आप लोग वीडियोस नहीं देख रहे जो हम लोग देख रहे हैं? क्या आप लोग वो मुसलमानों को नहीं मार रहे हो? क्या आप लोग ईसाइयों को नहीं मार रहे हो? क्या आप लोग
ओके, ऑल राइट. अगर आप कह रहे हैं कि यहाँ क्या हो रहा है, मैं आपको बता दूं पाकिस्तान के लोग क्या कह रहे हैं. Sabeen Kayani on social media says, Dear India, if you decide to seek revenge on Asim Munir and his cronies for the Pahalgam attack, do us and the world a favor and please pinpoint the exact coordinates of Asim Munir's house and target him or his girlfriend, etc., etc. ये हमें सिखाएंगे.
Now, Mr. Muneeb, since you made your point,
lowering your fader, Shehzad respond.
Mr. Muneeb, by the way, my grandparents left the idea of Jinnah and settled in India, and I'll tell you why. आप मुसलमानों की बात कर रहे हो. आगा खानियों को कौन मार रहा है पाकिस्तान में? आरएसएस बीजेपी. शियाओं को कौन मार रहा है पाकिस्तान में? आरएसएस बीजेपी. अहमदिया को कौन मार रहा है पाकिस्तान में? आरएसएस बीजेपी. और मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूं, आप बड़े इस्लाम का यहाँ पे ध्वज लेकर भाग रहे हो ना, किसकी मदद और टुकड़े पर पल रहे हो? चाइना के, जो जिंजियांग प्रोविंस में मोहम्मद नाम नहीं रखने देता, कुरान पाक को जलाता है, मस्जिदों को तोप से उड़ाता है, वो चाइना से जो आपको अपनी भाषा अपनी जमीन पर नहीं बोलने दे। हमारी जमीन, वैसे हमारी जमीन उनको दे दी और वहां पर आपको चाबुक मारता है और अपनी भाषा नहीं बोलने देता। उस चाइना के टुकड़ों पर पड़ने वाला देश मुझे यहां पर इस्लाम के पाठ पढ़ा रहा है। वाह भाई वाह। और ऐसा है राजा फैजल साहब, आपके पास दुनिया में उतने ही एलाइज बचे जितने आपके सिर पे बाल। आप तो छोड़ ही दीजिए, आपके सिर पे जितने हैं उससे शायद कम पाकिस्तान के पास साथी बचे हैं। तो इसीलिए इज्जत से आपसे कह रहे हैं, आप कह रहे हैं आप आतंकवाद के खिलाफ है। ओसामा बिन लादेन को आपके प्रधानमंत्री ने शहीद बोला था। ये मुनीब उज़्मा और वो जो राजा है, इनसे पूछे ओसामा बिन लादेन शहीद था? एक बोल दिया
मेजर समरपाल तूल, मेजर समरपाल तूल, इफ टुडे Munib Hamid is telling us that India will disintegrate and we have to take lessons from Pakistan. So, Pakistan ki sachai, would you just want to give them a reality check?
Good evening, Nivedita ji and respected panelists. So, to begin with, I would just tell that, you know, Pakistan is one country which has got blood of Americans on their hands. I'll tell you with facts that whenever a convoy with supplies used to start from Pakistan to Kabul through the convoy, why was it that only the American soldiers were killed and none of the Pakistan soldiers were even injured? So, you know, the debacle of 10 years that Americans had to actually leave and go back is because of the constant deceit and betrayal by the ISI by playing double standards. You know, they were double crossing. And, you know, there is a very clear proof that you're admitting, you're calling Osama bin Laden, a martyr in your parliament on live television. I mean, and then one of your other politicians claiming that they got the Pulwama incident done. I mean, condemnation to dur ki baat, you all rejoice on the death of innocent people. Kashmir is a Muslim dominated place in our country and aap to Musalman ke bhi sake nahi ho yaar. You have slaughtered Muslims in Kashmir by sending terrorists across. और मैं एक और बात बताऊं, I want to make one thing factually very clear. There is a argument कि 100-150 किलोमीटर अंदर थे, बंदे नहीं रोक पाए. The whole world was crying कि यहां पे अपनी मिलिट्री कम करो. All is fine. पाकिस्तान सुधर गया है. जब मैन पावर कम हुई, this is what you give in return. You are so unreliable that, you know, Saudi Arabia despises you, tells you apne bhikhari mere paas mat bhejo. You have been, you know, selling donkeys to China here. And you have been so incompetent in terms of CPEC. Baluchistan, you've been doing ethnic cleansing with young kids and girls. उनकी एक जनरेशन खत्म कर दी है. आज की तारीख में BLA, BLF, BRA, तहरीक तालिबान पाकिस्तान, तालिबान itself, आपने कहां पे दुश्मन नहीं बनाए, आप मुझे बताओ. Tell me where have you not made enemies?
Please respond, Dr. Hussain. Dr. Hussain Thebo, please respond.
Or PML.
Yeah, thank you very much for giving me opportunity to talk. I have waited since long. First of all, I thank you to you and Major Saab as well, and tea is fantastic, ready with me.
You need
and
water
now
for
this
tea.
Time,
you need water for tea. Water चाहिए, पानी. चाय पानी के बिना नहीं बनती. जाओ चेनाब से भर लो. चेनाब में जाकर भर लेना. पानी के बिना चाय नहीं बनती. और पानी कम चाय पिलाने की हमें आदत है. हम पानी कम चाय पिला सकते हैं आपको. पानी के बिना चाय नहीं बनती. चाय पानी में उबलती है. पर हमारा खून उबल गया है और अब आपको पानी में डुबाएंगे. आपके आतंकियों को पानी में डुबाएंगे.
बात सुनने की आदत डालो अपने आप में.
अरे मैं बात उनकी सुनता हूं जो बात करने लायक होते हैं. आपकी बात तो तालिबान सुनने को तैयार नहीं है. आपकी बात ईरान सुनने को तैयार नहीं है. आपकी बात यूएई सुनने को तैयार नहीं. सऊदी सुनने को तैयार नहीं. जो उम्मा करते हो उम्मा सुनने को तैयार नहीं है. अफगानिस्तान ही सुनने को तैयार.
हम कैसे सुन ले आपकी बात?
आपसे
कैसे सुन ले आपकी बात?
आपको शर्म आनी चाहिए। आपको
किस लिए शर्म आनी चाहिए?
इसको किसको बिठाया मैडम आपने? आप बड़ी इथिकल, माशाल्लाह, आप इतनी जबरदस्त। ये कौन गधा है?
अरे भाई साहब, आपको शर्म आनी चाहिए। ये देखिए, ये इनका फाइटर जेट है। मैंने AI से इनके फाइटर जेट की फोटो मंगवाई। मैंने बोला पाकिस्तान के पास कौन सा फाइटर जेट है? तो ये गधे के बीच में 2 विंग डाला है। ये गधे के बीच में 2 विंग है और ये है आपका फाइटर जेट।
तो मैं बोलूंगा,
ये फाइटर जेट है आपका। ये दिखाइए इनको पाकिस्तान का फाइटर जेट।
डॉक्टर हुसैन, आपके अपने डिफेंस मिनिस्टर, योर ओन डिफेंस मिनिस्टर ऑन स्काई न्यूज हैज कन्फेस्ड that the only exports from Pakistan are their terrorists. They have been doing it for the Western world because that is the only expertise they have. You can't deny that. Can you deny it?
Okay, madam. Okay, madam. But let me clear one thing. I have a letter, and also this letter I have forwarded your producer as well. This is written by Headquarter Defense Staff, dated 26 April 2025. In which your army refused to fight with Pakistan. Is it true?
Not true. ये आपके यहाँ किसी फोटोकॉपियर में छपी होगी। ये यहाँ की चिट्ठी नहीं है।
मेरे पास,
क्योंकि नकलें करने का आपको शौक है, हमें शौक नहीं है। आनंद रंगनाथन, please respond.
The only letter I have which your defense people have from us is this letter. The letter you all signed surrendering to India. ये देख लो, ये लेटर था। इसमें लिखा है नियाजी ने कि मैं भीख मांगता हूं, हमें बख्श दो और हमारी 93,000 पतलून वापस कर दो। You asked us to return your 93,000 pants. We've returned them.
या गलत है, मुझे सिर्फ इतना बता।
पर ये तो फोटो तस्वीर
है या नहीं है?
ये है
आपने लिखा है कि नहीं कर सकते, हम लड़ नहीं सकते। ये आपका लेटर है
सर? वो
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं है। वो इंडिया का नहीं है। आपकी फोटोकॉपी मशीन आपके बैकयार्ड में होगी। आनंद रंगनाथन,
मैडम, आप काइंडली ये आपने प्रोड्यूसर को कहें, आपको भिजवाए।
Navika, first of all, sir, please, I did not interrupt you. I've been listening very calmly to you.
एक तो आपको कोई इंग्लिश में लेटर भेजेगा नहीं। आप कौन सी, आपको इंग्लिश में कोई लेटर भेजेगा?
ओके, आनंद प्लीज रिस्पॉन्ड।
Navika, first of all, I object to this terrible language being used for my dear friend Shahzad from across the border. I never thought I'll say this, but even our Indian madrasas seem to be better than Pakistani madrasas. ये कहाँ से आए हैं पढ़ लिख के? But I have 2 questions. As I said, I don't want to go into this tutu meme because it's a terror state. It's sprouting terrorists. I want to ask 2 questions to these 2 guys. एक, इनके आर्मी चीफ ने कहा कि we must and we do believe in 2 nation theory. तो एक बता दीजिए, 2 नेशन थ्योरी में बिलीव करने वालों के 3 नेशन कैसे हो गए? बांग्लादेश वॉज ऑल्सो मुस्लिम मेजोरिटी, वो क्यों हट गया पाकिस्तान से? नंबर 1 और नंबर 2, जस्ट गिव 1 word आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन. वेयर वॉज ओसामा बिन लादेन फाउंड एंड वेयर इज दाऊद इब्राहिम टू बी फाउंड?
ओसामा बिन लादेन और इब्राहिम आपके गले में आके घुसा हुआ है। अभी इस वक्त आप अपनी जान छुड़ाएं। इस वक्त आसिम मुनीर आपको तोड़ने के लिए, आपको फाड़ने के लिए बैठा हुआ है। आप उससे डरे भाई।
अगर आसिम मुनीर हमें डराने के लिए बहुत है, तो वो डर के अपनी फैमिली को क्यों बाहर मुल्क भेज रहा है? फिर तो उसे, उस्मा जी, then Asim Munir should have stayed back in Pakistan. Your army chief cannot protect his own family. He sent them abroad. He is not to be found over the last 5 days. I want to ask you, is it this Pakistan which has crossed, the only LOC that it has crossed is the LOC of truth, of self-respect, of logic, and of anything that is sane and that is human. Please look at the record of your own human rights. Please, Pakistan's own Human Rights Commission will tell you what you are all about. And Osama bin Laden in your own backyard is a martyr. America came in to, liquidate him. इतनी तो आपकी फजीहत हो चुकी है दुनिया में, कहां से बचाएंगे आप? Terror and terroristan. Well, if you think that you're going to flex muscles, everybody in India recognizes कि आप में कितना दम है. ज्यादा से ज्यादा आप कर भी क्या लेंगे? यू विल रन टू चाइना एंड से मेरे आका बचा लो मुझे। इतनी सी मुल्ला की दौड़ चाइना की मस्जिद तक, यहीं पर आपकी कहानी खत्म होती है। We leave it at that. Thank you very much to all my panelists for joining me on debate number 1.